Hello everyone, I'm Aura Salsabila Ayudia from English Education Department. In this video, I want to explain about first language acquisition and second language acquisition. What is first language acquisition? First language acquisition, FLA, is the natural process by which babies learn to understand and speak their mother tongue. It happens without formal teachings. Baby listen to people around them, recognize sounds, learn words, and slowly form sentences. Over time, they understand grammar and meaning through daily interaction. What are the major theories of FLA? There are several theories, but here are two main ones. The first is behaviorist theory from B.F. Skinner. Children learn language through imitation, repetition, and rewards. For example, when a baby says mama and gets a smile or praise, they repeat it. And the second is nativist theory from Noam Chomsky. Children are born with a special ability to learn language called the language acquisition device. This helps them understand grammar and form sentences naturally. How do children in bilingual homes acquire both languages? Children who grow up in bilingual homes learn both languages naturally. They hear each language in different situations or from different people. For example, Japanese at home and Indonesian at school. Their brains can separate and store both languages. Though they may mix them sometimes, called code switching, which is normal. What stages do children go through when acquiring their first language? Here are the main stages. First stages is cooing stage, 0 until 6 months. Babies make simple sounds like oo or Second is babbling stage, 6 until 12 months. They start saying repeated sounds like baba or dada. One word stage, 12 until 16 months. They use single words like milk or mama. Two word stage, 18 until 24 months. They combine words, for example, one milk. And telepathic stage, 2 until 3 years. They use short sentences like me go to school. What factors influence FLA? There are 5 factors influence FLA. First is environment, second is interaction, third is motivation, fourth is cognitive development, and the last is emotional support. As a future English teacher, why is understanding FLA important for you? Understanding FLA helps teachers know how students naturally learn languages. It reminds us to be patient, use real communication, and create a positive environment. It also helps teachers understand common mistakes and how to support students better, especially when they are learning English as a second language. What is second language acquisition? How is it different from first language acquisition? Second language acquisition is the process of learning another language after learning your first one. The main difference is that first language learning happens naturally from birth, while second language learning often needs more effort, study, and sometimes formal teaching. Adults usually learn a second language more consequently than children. Choose one SLA theory and explain its main idea and give one classroom example. Prescience input hypothesis. This theory says learners need to hear or read language that is slightly about their current level, called comprehensible input. For example, in class, the teacher speaks a little slower and uses pictures or gestures so students can understand new English words naturally without direct translation. What role do affective factors, motivation, anxiety, attitude play in learning a second language? Affective factors are very important. Motivation helps students stay interested and keep learning. and anxiety can block learning if students are too afraid to speak. And the last is attitude. Affect how well they learn, so a relaxed sportive class helps students learn better. What is interlanguage? Why are learner errors important for teachers to understand? Interlanguage is the learner's own version of the language while they are still learning. It's not perfect, but it's part of the process. Errors show what students already know and what they are still learning. For teachers, mistakes are useful clues to guide teaching, not something to punish. How does age influence second language learning? Do children always learn better than adults? Age matters, but not in every way. Children often learn pronunciation and fluency better because their brains are flexible. And adults can learn grammar and vocabulary faster because they have better study skills and life experience. So children don't always learn better, they just learn differently. How can knowing SLA theories help you teach English more actively? Knowing SLA theories helps teachers understand how students learn and why they make mistakes. It helps teachers choose the best activities, give the right kind of input, and create a low stress and motivating classroom. How do you think AI tools like ChatGPT might influence future language acquisition? And will it change how humans learn languages? Yes, AI tools like ChatGPT will definitely change language learning. They can give instant feedback, correct grammar, explain words, and even chat like a real person. This makes practice easier and more fun, but humans will still need real communication and emotion. AI is a great helper, not a full replacement for human interaction.